Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Womp womp. Womp 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 womp.
Hey, go, head, you gotta yield, eh? I'm in the zone. You gotta yield. Move it, you moron. Run.
Draws speed the way he does. I love his speed lines when Barry is running. I love the way he draws kind of like vibrations when Flash is doing something, close up or he's
They did not, because a lot of these parts are straight up interchangeable or from the M249 saw, which I think is, it's a great idea. Again, if it ain't broke. Now, there is part of the video. There's a lot of shit I don't like on this gun, and I will say that. For one, you see this little bit of in 2.2 miles, turn right onto Powder Mill Road.
Man, what did that get you? What did that get you? You're right here with me. Why did you do that? What did that get you? You're right here with me. You. Says the driving a sports car. You bald ass mother. You. It ain't gonna make you less bald. You. Bye bye.
Tubes in there that help. 2 Gore-Tex crutches. Wow. Yep, 2 Gore-Tex now. Tough.
Well known for a while. Maybe it's because of this. Seagull has claimed that he helped train CIA agents in Japan.
Is there anything, with that, is there anything on there? I'm on his website trying to find it. I think at one point he claims that he defused a bomb during a terrorist situation and was like
a little bit more money because of that too. Yeah. So I just don't. Fuck! Oh my god! What the? Is it? Damn! You're gonna have to, yeah. Pull over. No, go. Let me tell. Pull over. What the fuck? Are you okay, dude? It was on your side. Yeah, I'm good. Fuck. Look at this guy. That's just fucking crazy.
again sometime. A song in my heart, a world of worry. Stay in the middle 5 lanes. In 2 miles, take exit 761.
Oh, Christ, Jesus.
Fuck you, asshole. Touch this person. Hello?
Exit. Do we get... What the?
Button. What was she doing?
Not thinking, apparently.
Legend any time it was, as long as I eat them up within a week. They need room. So this, okay, good.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.